In this video, we'll be covering adjusting record visibility for your user roles in Shape, defining how users in your system are able to view records, and visibility options that are available for each role. Start by clicking Settings in the top gradient navigation bar, and you will find Record Visibility by Role under the Users and Permissions dropdown. You will notice that by default, users and portal users see assigned records only. Managers see team records only, meaning they will see records assigned to themselves as well as their team members. And directors and admins see all records regardless of assignment. If you would like to adjust this, simply click the Choose option under the Action column to find the Edit button where you can select the record visibility for each user role as needed. If you have any further questions regarding record visibility options in Shape, please do not hesitate to contact our dedicated support team by emailing support@setshape.com.